I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on Talkback and confirming permissions. This gives the system control to speak UI elements. Once enabled, make sure sound output and microphone access are set. You should practice the first gestures now. Explore by touch to hear labels, single finger swipe for navigation, and double tap to activate. These are your primary controls. Mastering them avoids accidental commands. From here, move straight to voice command setup, so you can speak actions instead of relying only on gestures. Once Talkback is active, open its voice commands section and enable hands-free control. This lets you speak navigation and app actions. Make sure to train any voice model if prompted so recognition adapts to your speech. Next, assign or confirm common phrases like open settings, read notifications, or scroll down and test them immediately. If a phrase fails, re-record or choose a simpler synonym. Make sure background noise is low during training, so the model learns a clean voice print. You're now ready to use voice commands in real workflows. Speak single commands first, then combine them into short chains like open calendar, go to tomorrow. Once done, refine sensitivity and language preferences so recognition improves across apps. Make sure to add shortcuts for repetitive tasks and to revisit training when accuracy drops. If something goes wrong, reboot the device and retrain the voice model. If misrecognition persists, simplify the command phrase and reduce background noise to restore reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.